welcome back to our YouTube channel DNS Tech. So after a long time we are uploading a video like this to YouTube. So there are a couple of reasons. So we had too much work and we were busy and we couldn't upload videos. But don't worry, from today onwards this month we are gonna upload lots of videos. So be ready for those videos. And today in this video I am gonna show you guys something related to Skype. So actually today is a video that will help you to block someone who is annoying for you. So that's what. So today I'm going to teach you how you can block someone on Skype. So without wasting our time, let's start the video. So if you haven't still subscribed to our YouTube channel, make sure to do that. If you subscribe only, you will receive these type of latest tech videos from our YouTube channel. So let's start today's video. So first of all, you need to go to Skype. So now I have taken my partner Sachi Hegoda. So for an example, so I'm going to go to his chat. So now you go to the chat which you need to block. So okay, now I have gone to his chat. So after that you need to do is you need to go to here. You can see the contact's name. So I'm gonna click on it. You do the same, and after that you will see the contact's profile picture, the name, the active now status, and those things, you know guys. So after that you can start call, start video call, those things. So you need to do is you need to scroll until the end and you will see an option called block contact. So you need to click on this block contact. Okay, so it's not getting blocked at once. They are asking some things. So block this contact, report abuse from this person. So I won't think that you need to enable this option. So if you want, you can do it. I don't like that. So I'm gonna click on block, and you can see that the chat got disappeared. So that means the contact is blocked. So that's the way how you can block someone, and I will teach you how you can unblock that person too. So you need to do is you can see a 3-dot option over here. So click on this icon and click on settings, and you will see option called interface like this. Now you need to go to this option called contacts. So after clicking on this, you will see a option called block contacts. Click on it, and you can see the number of contacts you have blocked, and you can unblock them from here. So I'm going to unblock Sachi Hegoda from here by clicking on this unblock button. Now he's back. So that's the way how you can block someone and unblock someone on Skype. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I enjoyed making this video. So if you enjoyed, don't forget to like this video. Like is very important for us. It motivates us a lot, and don't forget to send your valuable comment in the comment section. We are waiting for you. And that's all for today. Make sure to share this video with your